That's why, more or less.
Yeah. You nailed it actually. See, that's the reason people who are present, who are present before you, who are visible to you, who are in communication with you. So all these things matter. And when you take the four names, one is like Karan. He's always on, like he's there, he's present almost everywhere. And
Correct.
when you take Uma Madhavi, she has been doing this work from quite some time, and she has also established her credibility by doing some workshops on a regular basis.
Correct.
So Uma Madhvi has got that, and Deepesh Das also I could see that he's also very much active doing things. He's also active on social media, being here and there. So that is one way. So why I'm saying this thing is, uh, for someone to be known as someone, we need to be present uh, on a regular basis in a systematic way. It's not, people will definitely forget. It's not like, I'm not saying that people are not credible. There are many credible people out there. There are many credible people out there, but not everyone, people will not actually remember people suddenly when we ask. Because the other day I was discussing, I asked one of our growth partners, Rafikul, about please tell me three Facebook ad experts. Then he immediately named one name, Karan Parwani first. Then he talked about Tarun Kumar. Uh, then he talked about some other name again. Then I asked him again, how are you, why are you recollecting only these people's name? Are there not more other Facebook ad guys are there? And again, the same answer came, like the similar answer what you told actually came. So why I'm actually bringing this context is, this is very important context when we talk about building a brand or authority or be known for something. So it is very much essential to be to be present before people's eyes, getting their attention many a times. So this program, what we are planning is like, it will give very good attention to any agency, any freelancer, or anyone who is actually launching a product, marketing product, or something like that. So I'll get into the presentation. I'll just walk you through very quickly. It's not very lengthy presentation. It'll take some 15-20 minutes, and we can also take some questions and all. So Siddharth, if you on Facebook group also, this is live. If there are some questions on Facebook group, Siddharth, please help me out with that so that I can
Sure,
take them, because I'll not be able to focus on both the places.
sure.
Yeah, thank you. So let me share my screen, and you can go with this. Mm, yeah. So yeah, let me present this. You're able to see my screens, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, so in this pro mention, we are trying to actually help you with promoting your product or service authoritatively. I use the word authoritatively uh, because it means that you should not be sounding salesy. So otherwise, whenever you pitch about your service or your agency or anything, when you start promoting, generally it comes as very bad in communities or other places openly, unless and until you are supposed to promote your service or product. So let us see how and what is that we are trying to do with this pro mention program. So in pro mention program, we are trying to uh, make you seen as an authority to other people. Like Shreyas Patil is writing copy for hashtag magazine from the last three uh, editions. So every edition there is a title called Copy with Shreyas. So that is building some credibility for him. Though he is very credible, it's not like, I'm not saying that if you don't do this, you're not credible. People out there are credible. There are many credible people out there, credible marketers out there. But everyone needs that visibility. You need to be visible in the right places. So let us see how we'll do that. So you all know that we have this many different channels where we can actually reach out to people. Like niche marketers, right now we have around 1,000, just we reach 1,000 members. And mostly we focus on having serious marketers, serious people out there. Like business owners are also there, some marketing professionals are also there. and digital marketing agency guys are there. So different people are there in the group itself. So our group itself is a place where we promote stuff. Then a budding YouTube channel, we just reached 150 subscribers recently, and we are just counting because we're adding good content over there. Then we have an email list which is also again reaching 1,000 nearby, and then we have websites nichemarketers.in and #mag.in. If you right now see nichemarketers.in homepage, you will see very focused few profiles over there. If you type and see, you can have a look. Meanwhile, while I'm talking, you'll understand what I'm trying to tell. Like how much focused attention you'll be getting if you're on the nichemarketers.in homepage. Uh, that's what I'm trying to tell you. So you can type in and try to see. Even I will just chat send that link for in chat window. I think it's not working. Yeah. You can just click on the link and see what does it mean, what I'm trying to tell. And yeah, coming to the group, you all very well know that this is a small group, but we have good number of influencers and all. Influence in the marketing place, because you may think that how can a marketing community give me some business, because everyone is a marketer out there, but it's not everyone. Every marketer will not do everything. They can't do everything. So when they get something which they don't do, it's out of their scope, they try to give it to someone else, they'll try to pass it to someone else. Then we have this newsletter and all. Then we have the #mag. You can see the #mag. Then we have this YouTube, this thing. The screenshot is a bit older one. Right now we reach 150 subscribers, but it's 150 also is a small number. But trust me that people who are coming here and hanging out are quality people. Then let us say, yeah, now we'll come to, we talked about all the channels we have, and we're talking about the different promotion plans. How are we going to have these promotion plans? So let us see their different promotion plans, how they can help you and what they can do. There's a diamond plan, which is completely customized promotion plan. We'll customize it. So we'll get back to it later. Then we'll have gold promotion plan, in which what will happen is, let us say Shreyas is a copywriting person, and he's trying to position himself as the copywriting expert for some specific niche or something, whatever it is. Then what we'll space it out is, like Shreyas will be writing 3 articles on that specific niche what he wants to talk. Maybe he can talk about landing page copy, article 1, article 2, article 3, guide 3 different things, different perspectives. So Shreyas will be writing that articles. We'll publish it on our #mag.in blog, and if it is fitting somewhere in the magazine theme, we can add it to the relevant theme whenever it comes. Then we will share about Shreyas in one of the newsletters. We'll send an email newsletter to our email list, and we'll say Shreyas is a copywriter. He works with so and so. Let us say we'll talk it as something like know your niche marketer or something, a series, and we'll talk about him, exact description of whom he works with, what is his current experience, whom did he all work with. So that creates a uh, people will come to know about Shreyas more in a detailed way, like exactly when we are talking. Then we do one webinar with Shreyas inclusively, talking about, we don't talk exactly salesy, but we talk on various topics, various helpful topics on copywriting. We cover some things, and we also cover what Shreyas does, what is his business all about, whom does he help, and how can you get help from him. So that webinar will be exclusive webinar, which will be like 50% will be like knowledge sharing, 50% will be like promoting that person. And one video will be a basic video product or a service. Let's say it's a product, you're having a product, it will be a product video. If it's a service, it will be a service video. Service means like you can tell about how you provide copywriting service, like a 2-minute video. And that video, you can make it yourself, you can get it made by someone, but that video we will upload it to our YouTube channel. So it is there forever on our YouTube channel, that Shreyas is someone who's working on copywriting. So he provides copywriting services. Or maybe Roshan Samuel is someone who is into SEO. So they can talk about their agency. They can create a 2-minute agency video, and we can post it on the YouTube channel. Then one review article. This review article is like I will be reviewing the services provided by Shreyas. I'll talk to him one on one, and then I'll write a review on him. Like so, we'll have some basic questionnaire kind of thing where Shreyas will provide, and based on that, I will add my opinions and thoughts. Maybe if possible, I'll talk to his clients, one of the two clients, and also mention Shreyas has worked with the clients, and I talked to with two of them. These people have mentioned these things about Shreyas. So in the review, it will be like it can be a product review or a service review or anything. So all these things will come as the gold package actually. So this is how we are trying to position. Then let us say bronze package. So everyone will not have this bandwidth to do everything, this many things. So we'll go with a smaller thing. Like we'll have one article they can publish on #mac.in website. So the article can be about their agency. They can post a case study or anything like that. But we'll add their links directly. People can reach out if they want us to add a contact number. We can add it there. Then we'll send a newsletter to the people to our list totally about mentioning about your agency, and one video on YouTube. So in this package there is no webinar. You can notice that there is no webinar in this. Then if you go to I think I missed something. Silver, I missed silver in between. So in this package we have two articles, one newsletter, one webinar video on YouTube, and one webinar. So webinar is generally what happens is you come on a live show, you be on a webinar that establish some credibility. Like right now you see so many people coming on a webinar, it already gives you, yo, these guys are calling, so it has some importance there. So this is the package we have on this, and when we compare all these packages, we have a price tag attached to it because we spend the time and we have to have the resources to do all this stuff. So we have different packages, and which here the comparison table is there with all the advantages or what we have, what we'll cover in those specific packages. Like let us say we take bronze package, which is the lowest possible. It only covers articles, one newsletter, one article, one newsletter, and one product video or service video on YouTube. We'll post it on our YouTube. If you go for silver, it is like you have webinar also adding to that. We'll do an exclusive webinar with you. We'll strategize what we talk, how we talk, and we'll agree both, and then we'll do. It's not like straight away bluntly promoting your brand. If you do that, people will not like it. So you very well agree with that. Then gold is like something we have articles, but articles will be provided by you because it's not like again just to write articles. We have to spend a lot of money if we are writing articles. So in gold we have these articles, email newsletter, webinar video, product video in the sense like product or service video, whatever 2-minute video you want to promote for yourself. Then product review on #mac.in blog, and in the diamond plan we have highest is the diamond plan where we added few more things like product review on YouTube. Like we'll also review your product or service on YouTube. Means video review kind of thing we'll post. And we'll also have a product marketing strategy. We'll give you a product marketing strategy, how you'll promote your product, not only within community, out of the community as well. Then guaranteed signups. This can be like a bit tricky when I was saying guaranteed signups. It is like it will be agreed, mutually agreed what we'll, how we'll go with the plan and what type of signups. Because this chart is made focusing on the product part. So we add the signups part. So customers part we can't exactly guarantee. So this is how it is.
Quick question, Govardhan ji.
Yeah.
When we say product, it can be about service also, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Here it's like when I'm making this, I did not add the service part, but most of the promotion applies to services as well. That is how we are trying to position this thing. Yeah, this is what I have to share about the total plan, and you can ask me, like you can be very honest and with your feedback and opinions, like does this really work, or why is it, why do you think it's so important? Any kind of questions you have, it will make for a good discussion basically. Anything to this, Reyas? You want to add something to this?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let me check with others. If someone, if others are like, we have 8 people over here. Abhishek ji, anything you want to uh, ask or question? Like this is the kind of thing we're having, and yeah, obviously we're not in a hurry to close this thing, or it will be there. There's no hurry. There's no offer right now. We're running like other webinars and all. We want to just let you know that this kind of program is there, and that's the reason we're trying to share it actually.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite insightful. But the thing is, I mean, if you have more sort of examples of each plans, I mean, then it will be a bit more clearer. I mean, how this thing is looking. I mean, yeah, currently
Okay,
it
examples in the sense each plan. Huh?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay. Like let us assume if I'll take you 1 minute, let me say like we go to the let us say we're trying to promote your graphic design agency. You have a graphic design agency, Abhishek. You work with graphic design, logo design, and also videos and other stuff. That's what I know. And
Yeah,
like if you have an article covering like uh, importance of having a correct logo, maybe, uh, and we post it over there. Like we'll talk to each other and we'll try to create a good article about why having the right kind of logo is very very important for a business. So that thing when we post it on our hashtag mac.in website, and at the end of the end of the blog we write like Abhishek Gokulani, so graphic design expert and handles and is a part of creating so many beautiful logos for big brands or something like that. What will happen is people will see you as an authority when they see your article along with your name, what you do, your agency name and all. So people will think in a different way rather than when you put it normally in a place which is like a message or anywhere randomly on WhatsApp. But in an article, when you're sharing something, some valuable
true.
information, they will see you as an authority. So that's the advantage. So article along with the article, what we'll do is we'll say like on a newsletter we want to introduce Abhishek Goklani to you guys in the email newsletter saying that Abhishek is into graphic designing and video editing. So he is like he does this kind of services. He's based out in this place, and he likes to connect with clients in this specific region or something like that. And he also worked with this kind of clients already, has such experience. Why I'm telling this thing? People will think that अरे मैं करता हूँ ना बहुत लोगों को पता है मैं करता हूँ बोल के but आज just I am talking at 6:30 today with one guy called Sagar Mandal, and he's from Calcutta, and he's in our niche marketers community. And many times I have been, he responding to my messages. I'm chatting. I'm actually talking with him. And what he told today is like, Gordonji, what I asked him in deeper sense, what do you exactly do? And all. We set up a half an hour call, half an hour Zoom call, and we started talking. Then he told that I run a digital marketing agency, and we have a 18-member team. So that was something which came as like a very new thing to me. So until and unless you tell na, people don't know. We think that we are promoting a lot. We ज़्यादा करने से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. But इतना social distance में, इतना social noise में ना, everything gets lost. आज की डेट
True.
में whatever you post, आपका फेसबुक में फ्रेंड लिस्ट जितना सबको मिलता नहीं है. व्हाट्सएप में भी है. आजकल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पूरा रीड नहीं होता. So here like we are trying to make a conscious effort about प्रमोटिंग योर ब्रांड लाइक एक आर्टिकल लिखवाएंगे एक न्यूज़लेटर जाएगा आपका नाम से आपके बारे में बात करते हैं एंड वी डू अ वेबिनार अलोंग विथ यू लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ जैसा आपने हमको लोगो दिया you gave a very good logo for hashtag mac.in, so we can simply do a webinar like the person who's behind the hashtag mac.in logo and few other logos बोल के 3-4 logo display करके and we talk out we do a webinar with you and talk about like what you do, what kind of work you did already, ये सब करके. So this what it will create is स्पेसिफिक अथॉरिटी क्रिएट करता है, थोड़ा बस क्रिएट होता है. एंड ये बस भी टेम्पररी बस नहीं है. सोचे कि आर्टिकल अपना ब्लॉग में जाएगा तो इट इज अ फुल टाइम एक real estate बन गया, and we'll also try to optimize it for SEO, so that we'll try to in future get some SEO value also. Then we'll have a newsletter, which newsletter तो one time हो गया, webinar is there, and webinar recording तो YouTube channel में हम लोग डालेंगे, so that also has some lifetime very good value. मतलब कुछ समय तक उसका value रहेगा, and it will be there forever actually अगर देखा जाए तो. And you can also showcase that, see, to your clients you can say that, see, I am called for an interview on niche marketers, मैं मेरे को वहाँ बुलाया गया, मेरे को फीचर किया गया because of my good work. So sometimes what happens, people, you may think that ये तो छोटी सी बात है ना, लेकिन कुछ क्लाइंट्स को ये सब चीज बहुत पसंद आता है, दे फील वेरी गुड, कोई अवार्ड मिल गया, कहीं फीचर हो गया मैगजीन में, इस टाइप
Recognition.
के, या दे थिंक इट्स क्रेडिबिलिटी इज देयर व्हेन
It's
समवन
like yeah, providing value, then building trust, and then pitching your services. It's like
yeah
this.
yeah so that is how this type of things it will work. This is what I can give as a specific example, जैसा आपने बोला ना examples के लिए, so I just ran you through your own scenario right now. So this is what, because why we are charging this is, it will take some energy for us to do all this coordination and do things. It's not so easy to actually manage, so that's the reason we are having a charge for this thing. Anyhow, people who are coming on and they're providing value, always they're there. It's good that we are providing value. So yeah, this is what I want to tell Abhishek. This is what I want to clarify. Yeah.
That's a great platform. I mean, this sort of platform, there is a need for such kind of platform where all the niche marketers can come and collaborate and find the exact and trustworthy partners for this digital marketing arena, because this trust factor is quite a lot missing. I mean, whenever we want to start with a new team, with a new project, all the members. So I think this platform will provide a very good platform to build that trust that is not easy to build up in this digital marketing arena.
Yeah, and one more thing, what we do is I'm also thinking like, from gold plan onwards, we also give them the profile, the niche marketers profile, which right now, if you go to nichemarketers.in website, if you type in nichemarketers.in, or you click on the link and go there, you will see that only few 9-10 people's profiles are there actually. So we are trying to add some more profiles, but again we'll check the authenticity and relevance, because if someone is not very niche, so just putting them as something niche is not correct. So we are trying to add that also, because that will become a search engine. The first page of nichemarketers.in will become a search engine. So when someone in future comes and search for a nichemarketers.in, your profile also will come. So for that, we'll try to, like, whoever is taking this kind of packages, they can avail that as a freebie kind of thing. And that also will add some presence in the community going forward. That's one more thing we are planning to do.
And also, is there any reviews feature? I mean, just like we have in Upwork and Freelancer and all those things. So will
Yeah,
all
reviews feature
the
here, it will be there, but we are not just opening it up to everyone can review. What we will do is we will try to collect reviews manually. That's what we are trying to plan. Like, we can add reviews manually.
Okay.
We'll talk to your client and say, if with your permission and all, and if he's ready to share his picture and all, we can do. Means we can't share all the client's information, because we want to keep it secret. So
Mhm.
only few clients you prefer, like 1 or 2 clients, to establish some credibility. Because what I'm assuming is, if we give open reviews to these people, so people may straight away share reviews without even knowing you. Some people may want to put you down, because digital marketing industry is very competitive and overcrowded market. So I thought that opening reviews for public is dangerous. Even though if they come and give a review after logging in, we can't question them that how can you give this review. Maybe we
Yeah,
can
so
think
it's
of,
it's true. It's more shielded. I mean, from your end, that whatever review comes, it's even more
yeah,
filtered and or
more
authentic.
filtered, and we want to make it worthy, not about having 20-30 reviews. At least 5 reviews भी है अगर genuine है, and they give like, आपको 5 में 4 देता है rating, फिर भी 4 भी तो ठीक है ना, but he can tell that, yeah, I gave this 4 rating because this is all good about Abhishek, and maybe 1 star less because I think that they can improve in this, something like that. So that gives more credibility, ऐसा मुझे लगा मतलब. But
Right,
again we have
right.
to see, एक बार करके देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. Yeah. Okay, that is what Abhishek ji and Atif ji, you also came up. You have a product, I think. There is some product called Tap Link or something. Yesterday we were talking on Messenger. Um, it's like a link tree alternative or something. Yeah, you can also think about this because we can provide that kind of exposure and go ahead with this. So, guys, this is what I want to tell about this specific this thing. If you have any more questions, I'll answer, or else we can wind up, and or else we can just talk about other things as well, not just this product promotion. This thing, we'll just forget this. This is there, and we can talk about building brand or the authority, whatever any questions you have. How do you get that basic thing? If whatever I can share, I will share like basic information because I could build my brand uh, up to some extent
Uh,
doing things. Yeah.
I had a query. I mean, do we have all those search-based service feature in this niche marketers.in? Suppose you are building all the pages with all those things, and if someone wants to have all the 3D mockup sort of service, I mean, I'm just taking my example. Suppose graphic designing videos is a very uh, a wide niche, and suppose if someone
Yeah.
wants to search for this mockup 3D mockup video, logo reveal video, specific keywords. So will there be that feature where we can add all those sort of keywords and that is being searchable in nichemarketers.in?
Yeah, right now I think it's not there. If you could see the website,
Mhm.
right now the flexibility is less. We have two filters right now, so maybe will going further. We can plan like inside graphic design. We can add some subcategories like this, and
Exactly. Like
someone can
tools names
actually
we can also add, like
yeah.
that will be also very helpful.
Yeah, because people are looking for such kind of things. That's the reason I'm talking about this, Abhishek ji. If you're writing an article, let us say 3D mockup, like exactly what you mentioned, 3D uh,
Mockup
mockup
videos and
service,
all. Yeah.
then 3D mockup videos or something like that. Then we can write an article and it will get ranked actually. मतलब पूरा नहीं भी होंगे तो at least we can rank, we can try to create that thing. And हमारा जो लोग है जो blog में नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं ये मिल जाएगा मतलब this is how
Mhm.
we have this keyword somewhere. ऊपर में सर्च बार में कहीं कोई ना कोई मारेंगे तो भी कुछ ना कुछ ऑप्शन रहेगा कि मिलने के लिए. So we'll see how to make it better. We'll refine it. जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं ना, when we talk to people like you, we'll get some more ideas to refine it. Yeah, that we'll do. So yeah, anything else, boss? Apart from this, on not only about Pro Mention program, on branding or promoting your agency or service or anything, any challenges you're facing? Because we're also trying to launch Niche Marketers Club soon. So we'll have that Niche Marketers Club um, as a thing which we'll have, which is focused on freelancers.
There is a question on Facebook.
Yeah,
Is plan upgrade facility available from Nilesh Jadhav?
plan upgrade facility.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Nileshji, we can definitely consider that. We can consider that because once you are choosing this plan and you see that there is some, you're seeing some visibility, you can upgrade to the next plan. But upgrading part, we are not sure about the conditions exactly what conditions we'll put because we don't know because when we are bundling it that way. But yeah, as of now, I think we can do that. Not a problem. Yeah, that's only one question, na, Siddharth?
Yeah, as of now, I can see only one question.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then everything is good. I think people are okay. We can disperse or anything. Yeah. Okay, keep this
Yeah.
in mind. We have this program and we also have live sessions tomorrow and we have live sessions tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, Raf Ahmed is coming. He is a e-commerce a textile entrepreneur who has done something with e-commerce. So he has got experience with marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, and other Flipkart and Mintra. And he's able to scale his sales from 5 sales a week to 50 sales a week. Though it's not a huge number, but I believe that's a believable number. It's not like a bragging kind of number, which is like 5,000 sales, which is like kind of it requires a lot of budget and things. That's a different ball game. But most of us are like trying to help industries or agencies or businesses who have that kind of small budgets, but they want to have some level of scalability. So we'll try to unleash that thing from raw framework tomorrow, and the day after we have two more guys coming on a live session, and Saturday also we have a live session. Like this week is full of e-commerce marketing, because this month the theme we had is for e-commerce marketing. So it will be like if you know someone who is interested in e-commerce marketing, please tag them. I already shared the event links. I'll share the event link of Saturday, maybe today, maybe after some time, or maybe tomorrow morning. I already shared two of the links right now. So yeah, so thank you all for giving your time. Um, Everyone, name by name, I want to thank you for coming in. So let me know anyway we can collaborate out of this packages. Also we can do something. If you are interested to come in, contribute, or come on a session, we can do that. Thank
Surely,
you.
sir. Surely, surely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you and
Thank
all
you
the
all.
best.
Thank you, Govardhan.
Thank you everyone. Good night.
Good night.